Hey YouTube, it's Amari
and Ali
here from Three Slay Sisters.
I say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
And as you see by the title, first you know that we have a series, which is better series. So as you see by the title, which deodorant is better? Is it the roll-on deodorant or the white deodorant? So they're the same brand, Lady Speed Stick. They're both 24. This is So we're about to compare them. So,
and you guys, make sure you watch our other video, part 2, Untangle the Headphones.
Yeah, go watch that.
Yeah, you see us in the same clothes.
Yeah, because these videos about to come back to back to back to back to back. So, we're about to compare them. So, I keep on dropping them. They're both Lady Speed Stick. So I have to get right here.
Yeah.
They're both Lady Speed Stick. Purple.
But still the smell. It's different. See? It's different.
But you can still feel it roll on. Roll. White. Exactly.
It feels the same. Mark, do it on your arm. Do it on your arm.
No, we're not doing it. So, this is a roll-on, like I said. And they're... first we're going to compare them, okay? So, this one... Where's the wipe? I said the wipe. Where's its cap on it? So, this one is non-stop protection. This one is 24/7. This is wetness and odor protection. This one is roll-on, like I said. And this one is Fresh Fusion. Fresh Fusion. Sorry, you can't see.
Ooh, can I just write
this one?
Around, please? Yay. Okay. This one is Invisible
Dry Power. It's 24 hours.
Protection.
It's wild,
Freshness morning to night, and it's wild,
fresher. I don't know. But so
that's the difference, though.
These are the differences.
Fresh Fusion and fresh, whatever that says. Wild, fresh. But
so this is I really don't. So this has liquid in it.
True, but like when
you roll it on.
Yeah.
It has liquid, and you have to roll it to get more deodorant.
Yeah.
I don't want to roll it with my hand.
But pretty much, yeah, that's the difference.
But I think that this one is better.
Yeah, me too. But because it dries eventually.
I think this one is better. This one is more for the house.
Yeah, but like it makes my shirt.
Oh no! Wait. I think this one is for. No, yeah, this one's for outdoors. Yeah, this one is more for the house, like out after you get out the shower. And to this boy in my class, if you're in Miss Kane class at my school, you should know this boy. This is deodorant, okay? But you need the men brand, not this brand. But yeah. So I think the this is the best one. You can still put this one after, but you're going to be all wet. So put this one on.
Yeah, because I don't really like to wear that to school because it's going to make my shirt wet. And people going to get them sweaty.
So, yeah, right. So, please like this video and subscribe to the Three Slay Sisters for more videos. Peace out.